So here is a recipe using the inverted method. Measure out 16 grams of coffee and grind coarsely. Put the coffee into the brewer, and then we're going to add 200 ml of boiled water. Be sure to saturate all of the grounds. Place the filter into the cap and apply the cap to the brewer, and then wait 2 minutes for the coffee to brew.
A few moments later.
Place your cup or carrot upside down on top of the brewer and carefully flip the whole device. Apply pressure to the piston, aim to press for around 20 seconds. And you now have a super delicious beverage to enjoy.